Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, Sirius satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.